Dirty South.
Dirty.
Gang, y'all really feel me?
Feel it.
East Coast, feel
Say
me?
what?
West Coast, feel me? Dirty South.
Dirty.
Gang, y'all.
But would it be a Sophie Chanelle video without a hair flip? Huh? No. Did y'all see that? Oh no.
Now, is she worth it? Let me work it. Put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it.
Yeah, she is worth it, honey. Hey sunshines, it's your Slay at Home mom, Sophie Chanelle, and I am back with another hair review. Yes, you guys, I am back. Hope you all have had a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year is coming up, or tears. So happy 2022. Yes, I am so excited. I'm jumping back into creating content. If you're not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? Go head over to Instagram at the Sophie Chanelle to see all the content that I've been creating. I've been trying to step outside of just wigs, give you guys a little bit more, and do something different, you know what I'm saying? And so you'll see some different stuff coming to my channel as well. So be on the lookout for that. But today I have to send a huge thank you over to Hair by Justice. They sent me over this unit to review. And so we're going to get into it. This is a closure wig. This is the 26-inch raw hair. This is so long. I've never had hair this long before. So we're going to see how it works out. I have gone ahead and straightened this wig. I did not do any plucking when this unit was sent to me. I felt like the hairline was already pretty much good. So I didn't have to bleach the knots or anything like that. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get to the process of getting this together in just a moment.
Boy, I've been watching you like the hawk in the sky that fly, but you are my prey. Boy, I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know that one of these days we gon' hook it up, probably talk on the phone. But see, I don't know if that's good. I've been holding back this secret from you. I probably shouldn't tell it, but if I let you know, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. Are you responsible? Boy, I gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just anybody. Is it my goal? Is it your goal? Sometimes I'm good at good. Right now I'm naughty. Say yes or say no, 'cause I really need somebody. Tell me that somebody. Boy, won't you pick me up at the park right now, up the block, while everyone's sleeping? I'll be waiting there with my tricks, my looks, my hat, just so I'm low-key. If you tell the...
I just had to pop back in here real quick just to let y'all know that I went to go spray and then lay down this lace, but then I saw that it was laying kind of flat. So I'm wearing this lace glueless, and I just want y'all to check it out before I lay the edges and all that good stuff. She is laying flat, honey. She is sitting. So I'm gonna get these edges together. I'm gonna do a little quick little 1-2 swoop, and we'll be back for the wrap up. All right, I'll see y'all in the outro.
Oh boy, see, I'm trusting you with my heart, my soul. I probably shouldn't let you, but if I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. Boy, I gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just anybody. Is it my goal? Is it your goal? Sometimes I'm good at good. Right now I'm not.
And we are back. Yes, you guys, we are back with the 1-2. Yes, and I hope you saw how I briefly got into this easy, glueless, flawless 26-inch install. Okay, yes, you guys, so this hair was sent to me from Hair by Justice. Hair by Justice is a Black-owned, woman-owned hair Wig Company. So I will have their information, their website listed in the description box, as well as the details about this particular unit that I'm wearing in the description box as well. So now looking at the stock card, this is the 26 inches. Yes, like Sophie came through with 26 inches. Can y'all believe that? Like, who am I? Who is she? I don't know, but I got it together, you know. So anywho, 26 inches. This is the raw in the straight texture. So yes, the density of this unit, she's not very dense. I feel like she's the perfect density for the length of hair. Like, I don't want to have 26 inches of hair that's like super thick that I'm walking around like, hey, how y'all doing? Hey. No, ain't nobody got time for that. So I like how the hair just kind of tapers off near the ends of the hair. Typically, when you get into longer lengths of hair, usually hair is measured, I believe, by the grams or the ounces. Somebody let me know, by the grams or the ounces. And the longer the length of a particular weft, the heavier it'll be. So it's not like you get full, like the same fullness that you get from the root all the way to the end with most hairs. So that's not a disappointment for me. The texture feels really nice. I will say that I didn't get any shedding really, but I did hit a couple of little tangles, nothing major. I feel like if I had gone in and washed the hair myself and used like my particular conditioner to get the hair really soft, then it would have taken to that. But when this hair was sent to me, it looked as though the knots were already pre-bleached and that the hair was already washed and conditioned, because when I got it, it was a little bit damp and it smelled like conditioner. So I just set it on my mannequin head, let it air dry, went in and straightened it. But if you wanted to, you could definitely go in, add your particular conditioner, leave-in, whatever, to get it very soft. But the hair is very manageable. It took to heat very well. I did flat iron the hair before installing it. And she's giving, you know what I'm saying? Like, she's giving. If you want to, you could definitely go in and add some like curls. But this is such like a sleek, straight style that I never really do. I feel like my face is just kind of like wide and doesn't really carry it well. Typically, that's how I felt in the past. But Shawty's changing my mind. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. In terms of price, this particular unit at the time was going for $425. Not sure if that's the up-to-date price, but that's to be expected with a 26-inch length unit, you know? You pay for quality, you pay for length. Those are the things that come along with the territory. Trying to think what else. I typically have my rundown, like my list of things that I go through. The color of this hair, I'll come up close since this is raw. This is not like a jet black. I would liken it more so to like a color number 2. In terms of the color. And there goes my earring. It always happens. It hasn't happened in a while, so I'm actually proud of myself. But let me know in the comments, what's the longest length that you guys have worn in a unit, whether it was like a sew-in, whatever type of install. What was the longest length? This for me is it. And I'll insert a clip of like my length with this particular hair. But I like to know. And also let me know what you guys are thinking about this hair. That's pretty much all I have for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @SophieChanelle to check out all of my content. And also, I'll be doing a Q&A coming up with some life updates as well. So any questions that you have for me, drop them down in the comments. If you don't want it to be public, please just DM me on Instagram and I will get those questions ready to answer, because I can't wait to share with you guys all of the updates coming up with the Sophie Chanelle, your stay-at-home mom. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or any of my videos, please consider liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. It helps me out so much. And thank you all so much for all of the love and support over the past year. It has not gone unnoticed. I truly mean it. From the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate you guys. Happy New Year, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.